How to get gold plants and grow a garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about getting the gold plants and grow a garden on Roblox. So you will need a mix of luck and smart farming. And here's how you can boost your chances. So what exactly are gold plants? Gold plants are rare versions of regular crops that look golden. They're worth a lot more, selling for 20 times the price of normal crops. So how to get gold plants? You need to plant lots of other regular seeds. Each seed has about 1% chance to become a gold plant. So plant as many seeds, especially fast-growing ones like tomatoes, blueberries, watermelons, and pumpkins to increase your odds. Also use the sprinklers. Sprinklers improve the chance of mutations. So if you use the advanced sprinkler, it makes plants grow faster and increases the mutation chances. And godly sprinkler further boosts growth speed, mutation chance, and its fruit size. The master sprinkler gives the best boost to growth speed, mutation chance, and the fruit size. So place the sprinklers carefully to cover as much of your garden as possible. Also buy the super seeds. Super seeds from the Forever Pack or the Super Seed Pack always grow into a gold or rainbow plant. This is a sure way to get gold plants. And use existing gold plants. If you have a gold plant, its seeds have a better chance of growing into more gold plants. Replant these seeds to grow your gold plant collection. And also focus on the crops that you can harvest multiple times. Crops like tomatoes and blueberries give more chances of mutations. So weather can affect mutations. For example, combining a gold mutation with a weight mutation from rain can make your crop even more valuable. So check for the gear shop often. So check the shop regularly to buy them when they are available. So by following the simple steps and keeping your garden organized, you can improve your chances of growing gold plants, earning more money, and enjoying grow a garden more. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.